Let's season these pork chops using all-purpose flour, seasoning salt, any brand will do, and ginger. And for a little zing, you want to use cayenne pepper. So in a dish or a casserole dish, you want to add your flour, a little seasoning, don't overdo it, a little cayenne pepper, the more you add, the hotter it is, and a little ginger. Mix that all well with a fork. Well, make sure that's blended, guys. Mix, mix, mix. Now you want to take your your washed and cleaned pork chops, pat them with a paper towel, start adding your seasoning layer by layer, flip them over, and season the other side. Now I'm going to clean up my work area with a disinfectant. Want to make sure anytime you're dealing with raw meat, I don't care how well you clean the meat, you still want to disinfect your surfaces. So I have my preheated oil, so I'm going to dredge that pork chop. And then the key to having a pretty pork chop is to shaking off as much flour as you can before it hits the hot grease. And there you have it.